Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix missing features on TikTok. First of all, make sure your TikTok is up to date. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store, search TikTok and hit update. Next, clear your cache. On iPhone, just reinstall the app. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then TikTok, then Storage, then Clear Cache. To prevent future issues, turn on auto updates. On iPhone, go to Settings, then App Store, toggle on App Updates. On Androids, enable auto update apps in Play Store settings. If a feature is region locked, try using a VPN to change your location and unlock it. Still having trouble? Uninstall and reinstall TikTok for a clean, updated version. And that's it. Try these fixes and get your TikTok features back. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.